I know I'm usually doing things my dogs hate, but this is one thing my dogs definitely love, is going for rides in the truck. Hey, you guys wanna go for a ride? Get in the truck. Let's go. Get in the truck. Go, 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 go. Get up there. Peanut, get in there. Ruby's still having trouble with the truck. Get up there, Ruby. I gotcha. I gotcha. Where are we going today, guys? Where are we going? Where are we going, Peanut? It's a mystery. It's a mystery. Check it out. We made it out to Prudence Island. Checking out the beach. Look at this. Deer. That deer. It looks like the coyotes dragged it out onto the beach. There used to not be coyotes here, but then there was a really bad deer problem. So coyotes just showed up. No one knows how they got here. But judging by the distance to the mainland, I don't think they fucking swam. Come on, see, look. We found pretty much a dozen old abandoned Navy ammunition bunkers that you cannot get into. Get it.
Are you serious?
Get it. Get it. Oh! Never mind. And some of the roads were a little less developed. But for the most part, it was pretty quiet. We saw old houses, homesteads, farms. I mean, no one was there. We didn't see a single person except for the guy driving the ferry all day. It's crazy. Okay. It was like traveling back in time to a time when we weren't here yet. Even still, here we were, so close.